I actually just found out that the Onn Pro 2 is now available in Canada, and according to their website, at a Walmart near me. So we're obviously here at that Walmart. We're gonna go see if we can pick one up, take it back, and see if it actually works in Canada properly. There's no geo restrictions and any other potential changes. Let's go get it. Okay, we're back. I got the goods. I don't like filming in public, so we just didn't do that, although this is kind of public. They did not have the Onn Pro 2. Well, they did. She says they're in the back, but she wouldn't grab one for me. I had to order it online and then wait 2 hours. I don't know. Instead, I did actually find the first time ever the Onn HD stick, which is the older version. And you can see it's the Canadian version because it has Canadian streaming apps. So we're going to check that out when I get back. And I actually picked up one of their tablets because I've been wanting to review one of these for a while. So next week, we will check out one of their tablets and see if they're worth it or not. So let's head back, talk about where you might be able to find these in Canada and maybe other places in the world, and some other information you need to know. Okay, we're back in the studio, and I have our Onn device right here. That's our HD stick. We're going to try that out in a second. And I just want to see if there's anything different in terms of the boot up process in Canada. But here you can see people have started to find the Onn Pro 2 in Canada and more people in the United States. Now, if you go to United States Walmart, you can see it mostly says sold out everywhere. So one thing I'll say is if you're looking for one, check at your local Walmarts and just go to the page and set it to your Walmart. That way you can see if it's sold out or not. Some may still have it across, but it's become so popular that they are pretty much selling out everywhere. Now, other than that, the biggest thing I want to talk about with this, and here's a picture of somebody finding one. You know it's a Canadian one because A, they have French on it. So it's our other national language. So it'd be, I guess, the equivalent to the US if you had Spanish on your packaging, and you'll see Canadian-based streaming apps. And so here's one thing I don't really understand. And somebody comment down below why you guys think it's like this. Why did they lock the Onn box to the United States if they were always going to sell it in Canada? Because that's the major point of contention, right? Is like people were sending them to Canada and they were selling a lot there. Was it just because they wanted to keep the sales within the United States? I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me. And now they're selling it in Canada. It's like, why restrict them to begin with? It literally makes zero difference. So I actually don't know why that's a thing, but I would love for somebody to comment. And so if I go to the Walmart in Canada, you can see it is available and it's selling for 75 CAD. And that's down from this, that's obviously a little bit over the 60 USD. And actually, I think that's a pretty generous conversion rate. Let me check this. Okay, yeah, so it is a little bit cheaper. So the 75 Canadian is around $7 cheaper currently. Obviously, this depends on the currency exchange rate, but we're actually getting a better deal than you guys. And this isn't uncommon. We always get better deals. Even on streaming services, the Canadian versions, like half the time, end up being cheaper. Maybe a little less content, though. So I guess it is a trade-off. But let's go ahead and boot this up. And I want to see if there's actually anything different because I've never actually tried a Canadian one. I wasn't able to get my hands on it. Although I guess they've probably had these in Canada now for a while. And then we're also going to try out the tablet. If anybody's tried that tablet out, let me know down below because I'd love to know what you guys think before I actually test it. So we got I would lower my camera here. You guys have had unboxing on these before though, so I don't feel like I need to. We got our Onn stick. Here's the HD. Again, the Canadian packaging on it. French? God damn it. I only speak English. Let's get the cable right here. Okay, we're all plugged in. Let's go to our device. Oh, there we go. It's booting up. Now, you've always been able to boot these up in Canada, but it then gets stuck a little bit after. So that's what we want to see is once you start to set up your account and you connect your Wi-Fi, that's usually where you get stuck on. So that's what we're going to test today. Let's connect this right here. And we're going to set it up in Canada. Hey, Canada. And so it should get stuck right after it connects to Wi-Fi here. So this is what we're looking out for. Let's see what happens. And there we go. So we now are at our login, and this would not get here if it was restricted in Canada. Obviously, not surprising. They're selling it in Canada, so I kind of figured it wouldn't be restricted. But I did want to show the fellow Canadians that you can, in fact, get these now. And it looks like the Pro model is coming soon, too. And hopefully to other countries. It's become so popular that I could see them start to distribute these in the UK and parts of Europe as well, which would be nice for you guys. And maybe Australia. Maybe Australia as well. So like always, guys, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Oh, and go follow me on Instagram at Upgrade Guy Tech. We are trying to get that, and we have our giveaway closing tonight, and I'll be announcing the winner of the extra recorder media box by Cloner Alliance. Thanks, guys. Bye.